How we perceive reality works a lot like GPS. You see, in order to accurately determine our latitude and longitude on planet Earth, we need a minimum of 3 satellites to do so. If we'd like to throw in our altitude in there, we actually need a 4th satellite. The more perspective points, the better when it comes to tracking location. Similarly, the more perspective points we have for us to comprehend the reality of the nature of this environment that we reside in, the more perspective points that we have, the better we're going to be able to do that, especially when the perspective points are vastly different, coming from a completely different angle. It offers more accuracy. In this show, Subject Matter Experts, we take a subject having to do with the human experience, and we get 5 experts on that subject, and we ask them each the 5 most in-demand questions of that subject. So the way that this show is broken down into subjects. Each subject has 10 shows. First 5 shows are the 5 subject matter expert interviews. They're full interviews. We ask them the 5 questions and other questions, and also we get to know them and what they're doing. We get to see them. Then we've got 5 more episodes after those 5 interviews that are just the 5 questions. So each question will have its own episode. So it'll be broken down into, like, let's say, what is fill in the blank is a question. And then we've got the 5 answers of the experts, all answering in their own way what is blank, right? And that's going to depend on the subject that we're doing, right? So each subject has the 5 most in-demand questions. We ask them to 5 different people, and you get the 5 perspective points for you to then integrate into your life and up-level your state of being.